Restoring your damaged sewer or drain line. Our video shows the process for restoring a damaged line from beginning to end. This pipe is corroded and cracked, making it useless for sewer or plumbing systems. Step by step, we are going to restore this pipe just as we would in your home. As we begin the process, you see the pipe has layers of scaling inside. There is also a crack in the pipe running the entire length. Any crack indicates sewage leaching into nearby soil or water into the walls of your home. The first thing that needs to be done is to eliminate the buildup of rust and crud on the inside of the line. We have a chain tool which spins at a high rate of speed. This chain flails and hones the inside of the line, breaking free the dregs and muck buildup that accumulates, causing waste products to back up or block the line. In preparation for the new CIPP liner, cured in place pipe, the pipe is then pressure washed from the inside out to eliminate the buildup loosened by the honing process. With the line clean, we install the new CIPP liner inside the existing pipe. The liner sock, as we call it, is saturated with the two-part epoxy hardener mix. An inversion process uses compressed air to force the sock into the host pipe. Once it is installed, a balloon is inflated using the same compressed air process. This balloon is left inflated as the epoxy liner sock hardens. In a matter of hours, this balloon is removed, leaving the new pipe ready for use. All this work is completed with minimal destruction to existing walls, ceilings, landscaping, and roads, eliminating expensive property restoration.